What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to start a Ford Fusion if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2017 Ford Fusion in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this is only going to apply to the Ford Fusions that have a push-button start ignition. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no key detected. So what we need to do is come over to the cup holder, and there's this rubber piece in the bottom that we need to remove, and there's this little tab right here that you can get a hold of, and then that rubber piece will pull out like that. Now if we look in the rear cup holder, we see this kind of cutout, and what we want to do is place the key there, and we want to place it with the buttons facing up and the top of the key fob facing the front of the vehicle. So it needs to go in there like that. Once it's placed in that backup slot, we should be able to just start the vehicle as we normally would. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.